Today we're going to be making a classic Thanksgiving Day turkey. Now, to go with my turkey, I love to roast some vegetables. So I've got a little bit of yellow potatoes, some carrots, celery, and onion. Just spread it out evenly and drizzle a little bit of cooking oil and add in a couple sprigs of thyme and rosemary. Add about 1 cup of chicken broth just to add a little bit of moisture for our cook. Then to spice up the flavor a little bit, we're going to add just about a 1/4 cup of some red cooking wine. I use this cooking wine. I don't drink wine, so that's why I always stock up on this one. But you can use your favorite wine of your choice. And then all we're going to do from here is just season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we're going to make a herbed butter. All we're going to need is a couple sticks of unsalted butter, along with a couple sprigs of rosemary and thyme, and just some minced garlic, about 2 cloves. We're not going to be adding any salt or anything. We're going to be doing that directly onto the turkey skin. So all we got to do is just mix this well and our butter is done. Now for our turkey, we're going to take some paper towels and we're going to pat dry the skin. And then we're going to be taking some fine kosher salt or fine sea salt. And we're going to just season the cavity with just some salt and then just black pepper. Once we get the back portion and the cavity of the turkey seasoned with salt and pepper, now we're just going to go ahead and season the top portion. Now this is where you're going to spend a lot of your time making sure that the turkey looks good, because that's going to be the portion that you're going to be serving up to everybody. Now for the fun part. Take that butter that we just mixed together and rub your turkey down and make sure that you get every piece of that skin with some of that butter on there. Now with our turkey in our roasting pan, now we're going to keep this easy. We're going to be using a thermometer probe to monitor this cook throughout the whole time. So set your oven to 325 degrees. Insert that probe into the thickest part of the breast. And you want to make sure that it's right in the middle of that breast. Now let it cook to about 160 degrees. And as soon as it hits 160 degrees, we're going to pull out our turkey and let that rest for about 30 minutes. Now letting it rest, it will carry over to that 165 that we're looking for, but this is going to prevent you from overcooking your turkey breast, and you're going to have a nice juicy turkey. But as you can see, that's a nice golden brown skin, and that's exactly what we're going for. But let me tell you, this turkey was fantastic. It had really good flavor. It was nice and juicy and tender. My kids loved it. I loved it, and I hope you and your loved ones do as well. Happy holidays, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and take care.